Hello everybody, welcome back to SkillWeb. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to create AI images. Let's have a look now. At first, open your browser and search for Bing AI image. Click here and then click on Join and Create. You need to log in with your Microsoft account. Click on Next and log into your account. Now here, these are the templates you can use, or simply type the prompt here to generate a specific image you want. Once you are done typing, click on Create. It will take some time to generate the image. Okay, now click on Image to preview. So there you go. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.